Morning guys, how you doing? Today is Bank Holiday Monday. The weather is absolutely stunningly amazing and I am in Charlie the camper van. We are going to have a go at taking him to Droitwich. There is a river festival there and we're going to, fingers crossed, see how he goes. Guys, the camper van went like a dream. We are in Droitwich and we're just about to go to the festival. It should be fantastic. It's a canal festival. It's for St Richard's Hospice, I believe. And yeah, it should be at the camper in the car park.
Mummy can take the bottom.
You're talking in the present day.
Yes.
Present
day. Not the present day. Yesterday.
I'm talking about yesterday.
No, they did the salt one.
Yeah, it's a big step. Mind your head.
It is. Oh, it's okay. Oh, it's fantastic.
Right. Welcome to Scorpio.
Wow, thank you.
1933 she was built and went from Manchester up the way to London carrying cotton and chemicals.
Wow.
So all around this area and Manchester and Birmingham. And there's the biggest record, or the record of the largest number of people living on board one of these was 14. A family of 14. Okay.
Gosh, is that all there? There's nothing beyond there, is there?
Nothing there, just the engine.
Just look, that's the engine. And that's that, and that's that.
Yeah.
So there's not much space.
Well, I'll show you what's what. I mean,
Wow.
you know, the larger kids used to live underneath the cratch at front. You know, you had those canvas things that used to come all the way back, so they used to protect the cargo with those.
Right.
So there was plenty of place under there for people to sleep. And
Gosh.
here you had. Let me show you. Come and take a seat here. I'll show you.
Okay.
It was all self-contained because here you had.
Oh gosh.
This was. Don't worry about all that stuff here. Just for our crew when they're sleeping. But they could put this across here, so they ended up with a double bed for the parents.
Oh, I see. Gosh.
Sleeping with the feet under their heads here. And then if you were unfortunate enough to have a baby.
That was my baby.
Baby used to go in here.
Right. In the
And then
cupboard, did you do?
two kids would sleep on this bed top to toe.
Gosh, wow.
So that was your sleeping
Tiny,
arrangement.
that's the kitchen.
Yeah, that was the kitchen. Here, it's like a modern caravan, in actual fact. Here you had a table that
nice.
they could sweep everything into.
Gosh.
So it was very,
Compact.
yeah, and I mean, these guys
Very, wow.
were uneducated. This is called a crumb drawer, which is used for knives and forks as well, so you could just sweep from there into here, which is easier than trying to vacuum the floor, because you can't vacuum the floor. And then you just had more bits and pieces of storage there.
Wow.
And of course, everyone asks us how they went to the toilet. Well, that's,
Oh God, that's the toilet.
yes. And those days, of course,
kitchen and bathroom.
that's right. Well, yeah, there's a pot there. You know, they used to just take water out of the canal and wash. And there's a saucepan somewhere, probably in here, which was literally all they used. Yeah. No,
Oh yeah, there's a big bowl at the back.
Was all they used for peeling potatoes and washing and general
gosh.
bits and pieces.
Wow.
So it was pretty much self-contained. The iron there used to be on the stove all the time.
Yeah.
And there was always a kettle on the boil. So, and that drawer up there was literally, they were uneducated in those days, or when the bargemen were. So they used to keep the tickets in there. They got coloured tickets if they were going from X to Y. That would tell them where they went, and when they went to the next stop, they'd get another coloured ticket, which always used to go in there. So that was the office.
Gosh. So that little tiny bit there is the office,
yeah.
just there.
That's right.
Wow.
So all they got was these coloured tickets. Half of them couldn't read, and there, of course, is your bowl for your potatoes and washing and heaven knows what on the wall.
That's amazing.
And that's basically living in the 1930s.
Wow.
1933, 1940.
It's very small.
Yeah, and the controls here are different to boat controls. This is the throttle, and this, believe it or not, is the gear.
Oh gosh.
Not the easiest of things to control.
No. The original 1933 word is beautiful.
That's been touched up substantially.
Yeah.
And if you're interested, it's a list of 26.
Brine Spring. It would just be so cool to live along this canal. It'd be fantastic.
I told you, didn't I?
Well, they're huge. So this is a pod boat. Ideal as a storage shed. Windows can be fitted to be used as a bedroom. Oh. Does look just like a shed on the water, I guess. Absolutely love canal boats. They're so beautiful. Look at this one, it's so gorgeous. I think I've got a fish. Loads of fish there. Rosie and Jim. They're walking back and look, we found a little duck. It's not even the right way up.